Niroshan Dikwela, who's been the wicketkeeper of the Sri Lankan team for I think 2-3 years. There's a game called Cricket 19. Due to obscene language, his name has been censored.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty disrespectful to the Sri Lankan community, man. I mean, bro, who the hell are they to decide that we're not gonna whatever, man? Just boycott that game, bro. That's BS.
And then looks at the overthrow. 4 more.
Hello and welcome. So welcome back to Overthrow Cricket Podcast. It's no more IPL podcast. We've rebranded ourselves within a month.
We have, man. As the times change, we gotta change with the times, boy.
That's true. And you have definitely changed with that look.
Because the test match is starting, so this is my test cap.
According to some rumors, they're going to add 2 more teams to IPL.
Shashwat Bhai is not happy with that. He's not happy hearing that.
Already we were covering 60 matches and if 2 more teams are added, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Nahi, bhai, they were saying then they'll reduce the number of matches.
Oh, is that so?
So yeah. It won't be more than that for sure.
What have you been up to, Arjun?
Not much, man. I made a really awesome, really delicious banana bread, which I shared pictures with all of you guys. That was pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Made with oats flour, not maida. So shout out to oat flour fans.
We weren't able to cover the ODI series between India and Australia that we had promised. But yeah, India lost it 2-1. India again won the T20 international series again in Australia. The last time they played in Australia, it was in 2016. It was under Dhoni at that time. We had won it 3-0. This time we managed to win it 2-1. But Kohli has again created another record where he has become the first captain to win a T20I series in all the away nations of Sena countries that I think probably Mr. Akash Chopra might have invented that word.
Dude, who comes up with such stupid abbreviations, man? That's not required.
I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. T20 series summary. First T20, India won the match by 11 runs. Second match was a comfortable win for India. Not very comfortable, but Hardik Pandya made it very easy because he finished it off with 2 sixes in the end, and rightly was the man of the match.
Pandya.
He scored around 42 in that match, and India won the match by 6 wickets and sealed the series. Third T20 they tried a lot.
Shardu was like, he had some mental power, man. Before coming to bat, he was going nuts out there, man. Shardu looked like he was about to do it if he had come, I think, an over earlier.
India lost the match by 12 runs, which might have been won if just one more batsman would have contributed along with Kohli.
Nobody was high because Krunal wasn't in the side. He wasn't in the team, so nobody could get high.
Favorite moments from the India-Australia series.
बर्फ लगाई है, बर्फ तो ग्लास में होनी चाहिए.
एक्चुअली इधर रात है, होनी तो चाहिए.
Number 1 has to be the controversial concussion substitution.
Brother Jadeja, so he got hit in the head, while he was batting. He was kind of shook, right? But then the brother continued to bat for how many ever balls that were remaining. And then in the second innings, then he says, no, hold up. Now I'm dizzy.
And he came back to the dressing room and he was asked by the physio how is he feeling, and he said that he's feeling a bit dizzy. So according to the concussion rule, we had to have a substitute.
And I don't get that, bro. It's like, then how can you have the substitute using the concussion rule after the players continue playing his innings, and then in the second innings, how can you suddenly say, all right, man, I'm concussed, I'm not coming, man? That I don't understand that.
Justin Langer was very furious, by the way. He was damn pissed.
Sultan, अबे रुक.
It was kind of valid because he got a head injury, right? But when the physio came for Ravindra Jadeja,
shout out to Nitin Patel.
Nitin Patel didn't take his concussion test or something. So he had some injury in the leg as well. Although, no one is denying the fact that he might have got symptoms of concussion later on. But while the physio came, the physio didn't test him for the concussion. That was the main issue.
He has one job to do Nitin bhai is not doing it right.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
So technically they should have got like as a replacement एक all-rounder, not a specialist bowler. जो उसका रोल है, जो प्लेयर जाता है उसी रोल का एक और प्लेयर उसको रिप्लेस करेगा. So if David Warner goes out,
He got a concussion in his groin.
wait.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
If David Warner goes out, Mitch Marsh comes in. Okay, then Mitch Marsh can only bat. He won't be allowed to bowl.
Oh,
Right.
I see.
Sit down, Holly.
In my head, I'm imagining Ravi Shastri with his beer. चड्डू आया होगा and he's like, तेरे को concussion हो रहा है, बोलता है, नहीं भाई नहीं, अब हो रहा है तो हाँ.
हम ठीक है. ठीक कहाँ है? अरे ठीक है साला. ठीक है. Let's go down. कुछ नहीं हुआ.
And even Sanjay Manjrekar was suggesting that, this was not fair on their part.
There's no bias coming from him.
If you're watching this video on YouTube or Instagram, you can listen to the extended version of this conversation that we had, this podcast on JioSaavn, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Gaana.com. All other audio platforms that will be there in the description, so you could check that out. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at overthrow_cricket.
Peace, yo.
Cool then.